Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore a scalping strategy designed to enhance your gains while minimizing losses. If you're on the hunt for a quick profit strategy in the Forex market, you're in the right place. By merging the VWAP with the machine learning momentum indicator, we'll create a comprehensive approach that capitalizes on both oversold and overbought market conditions. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets of identifying potential buying and selling opportunities and optimizing your exits for maximum profitability. It's worth mentioning that this strategy can be applied to a wide range of asset classes, including Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and indices, across various time frames. So, without further ado, let's dive into today's video. To get started, head over to the AI momentum indicator we'll be using is exclusively available on TradingView. Since this is a scalping strategy, let's switch our chart's time frame to 5 minute. However, you can also utilize other intraday time frames like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes based on your preferences. Currently, I'm analyzing the Euro-USD chart, but feel free to select any currency pair you prefer, as this strategy performs effectively across various pairs. As we have already said, in this strategy, we will be using 2 free TradingView indicators, so let's add them to the chart. For adding indicators to our chart, here we click on the Indicators tab and type MLMI in the search box. We're going to use this one here, Machine Learning Momentum Index, created by Zierman. Click on it to add it to the chart. Now clear visibility for this indicator optimize setting. So, go to Setting icon and here Style tab change in MLMI predication path increase and path increase of WMA of MLMI predication. That's okay, this setup is ready. The Machine Learning Momentum Index oscillator is an absolutely amazing breakthrough in trading. It combines traditional momentum analysis with the incredible power of machine learning, giving traders an incredibly strong and flexible tool that perfectly matches the complexities of today's financial world. Get ready for a whole new way of understanding and taking advantage of market momentum and trends. This extraordinary oscillator gives you real-time information on market momentum and current trends so you can make smart decisions and stay ahead of the game. Here, this blue line is the MLMI prediction line, and the green line represents the weighted moving average of the blue line. Similar to the RSI oscillator, the green area signifies overbought conditions, whereas the red area indicates oversold conditions in the market. The formula and calculations for this indicator are a bit complicated, so I won't go into them in this video because you won't actually need to know them. So now let's see how we can use this indicator for our trading. The most common signal that traders get from this indicator is the WM line crossover, which we will be using in this strategy. When the blue line crosses over the green line, it indicates a buy signal. However, it's important to note that the MLMI should be in the oversold state or in the red zone before this crossover can happen. Additionally, for a strong buy signal, the crossover should also occur in the red zone. Let's see an example. As you can see here, the blue line crosses over the green line indicating a buy signal, and this crossover occurs in the oversold zone down here. So this is an example of a valid buy signal. Similarly, when the blue line crosses below the green line, it gives a sell signal. However, it is important to note that the MLMI must be in overbought conditions or in the green zone before this crossover can take place. Additionally, for a strong sell signal, the crossover should also be in the green zone. However, it's important to be aware that these crossovers can often be false signals, so it's necessary to filter them using other technical indicators. In this strategy, we will be incorporating VWAP as an additional indicator to weed out these fake signals. Okay, so let's add the VWAP indicator to our chart. To apply the indicator, simply go to the Indicator tab and type VWAP in the search box and select this one, Volume Weighted Average Price. Click on it to add it to the chart. Now let's head over to the indicator settings. In the Style section, uncheck this upper band line, lower band line, and bands fill. Once done, click on OK to save the changes. After successfully placing both of these trading indicators on your trading chart, let's see how to use them. Let's start with the rules for entering short positions. First, the blue line of the MLMI oscillator should cross under the green line from the top, which is a clear signal to sell. Also, the crossover should be in the green zone. This suggests that the market is overbought and due for a downward correction. Next, the price action should close below the VWAP. This suggests that on average, prices have been lower than the VWAP, which could signify bearish momentum. If both of these conditions are met, you can take a sell position. You can open your trade at the beginning of the next candle. This allows you to capture the potential profits from the anticipated price decline. To manage your risk, set your stop loss just above the most recent swing high. This ensures that you protect your capital in case the market unexpectedly reverses. As for your target, is 1:1.5. This exciting strategy allows you to potentially double your gains while effectively managing your risk. Now let's understand the conditions for entering a buy trade. Entering a long position is the exact opposite of entering a short position. First, the blue line of the MLMI oscillator should cross over the green line from below, which is a clear signal to buy. Also, the crossover should be in the red zone. This suggests that the market is oversold and due for an upward correction. Next, the price action should close above the VWAP. This suggests that on average, prices have been higher than the VWAP, which could signify bullish momentum. If both of these conditions are met, you can take a buy position. You can open your trade at the opening of the next candle. Set your stop loss just below the most recent swing low. And our take profit 1:1.5. I hope you must have understood this trading strategy. If not, then it doesn't matter, we are going to see examples of some trades, so that you will definitely understand. Let's look at some examples to help you understand. As you can see here, the blue line of the MLMI oscillator crosses the green line from below, which is a clear buy signal. Apart from this, the crossover also happens in the red zone. This suggests that the market is oversold and due for an upward correction, but market price here is trading below the VWAP indicator. So here on this signal's invalid, because both conditions are not met. Next signals here, the blue line crosses the green line from top to bottom, indicating a sell signal. And the crossover also happens in the green zone, indicating an overbought market that is ready for a downside correction. And the price action here is also trading below the VWAP, indicating a bearish trend. So here on this candle, both conditions are met. We will open a short trade at the opening of this candle. You can set your stop loss just above the most recent swing high, and our take profit would be 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. See here, also same condition met. Let's see, the blue line crosses the green line from top to bottom, indicating a sell signal. And the crossover also happens in the green zone, indicating an overbought market that is ready for a downside correction. And the price action here is also trading below the VWAP, indicating a bearish trend. So here on this candle, both conditions are met. We will open a short trade at the opening of this candle. You can set your stop loss just above the most recent swing high, and our take profit would be 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. We can see here the blue line of the MLMI oscillator crosses the green line from below, which is a clear buy signal. Apart from this, the crossover also happens in the red zone. This suggests that the market is oversold and due for an upward correction, but market price here is trading below the VWAP indicator. So here on this signal's invalid, because both conditions are not met. So do not enter any position. Again, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. This is purely for informational purposes. And if you liked the video, then subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our new video. Thanks for watching our video.